Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm creating this a short video for one troubleshooting section. So today we will look into an issue of copy pasting a text from a host to the VM machine and the corresponding resolution for the same. So for example, I copy this text and I open my VM machine. So this is my VM machine here, as you can see, okay, and I have opened a Word document. So I want to paste it. So if I paste it, this paste does not work. Now to fix this issue, what we should do it, we should open our current running VM, go into the settings. In the settings, there's a general tab. In the general tab, we go to the advanced. In the advanced, we see the clipboard option is disabled. We have to enable it by saying that it is a bidirectional so that we can use the clipboard to and from the host towards the VM machine and as well as bidirectional way. And drag and drop, you can even do this drag and drop bidirectional so that you can drag anything from outside inside the VM machine. So I will do OK, and the settings gets changed, and now I will try to see whether I can paste it or not. So now when I paste it, I see the text is getting pasted from my host machine to the VM machine. So now I can save this. So I have saved this as untitled document 1. I will save this. Okay, and now we will talk about the another feature which was drag and drop. So close this part. Okay, so now we will see whether we can drag and drop anything from the host to the inside the VMware. So what I will do, I will take one file, create one file indeed outside the VM machine that is my host. So I will create this, I will save it as 123.txt, and once I save this, I need to find it out where is my 123 got saved. Okay, so I will open the file location. So this is my 123. So I would like to copy this 123 to the desktop first so that you can see easily how I can move this file inside the VM machine. So now this is 123. So the other option was a drag and drop. So I will take this 123 which is in the host into my VM machine. So I will click onto it, I'll put it inside, and I will leave. So you see this 123.txt which was earlier outside the VM machine can be easily dragged inside the VM machine. So now if I try to open it, you see this 123.txt got opened, and the file can be easily transferred from the host to the VM machine. So that's it guys. So this was a small video, though I faced this trouble shooting steps recently. So I thought to add it so that it can help you guys to fix this kind of issues. Fine. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.